You're right, and welcome to a new video. This one we're fixing a water leak on the 205. A lot of the pipes have frayed over the years. Some have been replaced, but there's some old fittings still on there. So going to investigate and see what's going on. All right, see you later. The water pipe that's leaking is down here somewhere, so we'll take a lot of this off first. Another Jubilee clip behind there, so if we undo that, we should be able to get the pipe loose then. Not the easiest of systems to drain the water out of. Must look into that. So after all the water's been drained out, we'll take the aluminium pipe off eventually, and then the rubber join. Now this is the pipe that's been leaking, so we'll have to get that off now. So took the pipe off, cleaned it up, and now for refitting with a new Jubilee clip. So that's all back in place. One disadvantage of this car, anything front of the engine, the radiators will come off, so I have to drain the water every time. So thinking a drain off on this pipe here. See what we can do with that. Now we've got the pipe off, let's work out what to do with it now. Found this bit of pipe. Might see if we can get this to go onto there somehow. Right, let's give this a go. Well, I've dug out the top and die set, and an M8 sort of fits in there. I wonder if we can tap a thread in there and get a bolt in there. Right, to make a hole in the pipe for the new fitting, we use this cutter. So it's more getting it in and making a hole. Right, so with much tinkering, I've got this. Seems solid. Just put it back on now and see if it holds water. Right, so the pipe did go back on, and then decided to flush the system, but to do that I had to get the car started. Unfortunately, the car now doesn't start. Just one of them things. So that'll be the end of this video. May do something else for now till that problem sorts itself out. So right, we'll check you out next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.